Okay, sure. radiodr.co.za.
We can do it, really, really. If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. So boom,
Young fly Jedi, she cute, she turn over, but say guys, what you paga so. Anything you want, me look like nigga so. Stick to the plan, execution nigga so. Wasn't in the public CEO, job planting CEO, all over bambong CEO. You guys look at you the CEO. Business account, business account. Let's open up a new business account. Stack up the checks, make sure you never bounce. Save up, get a chair, a new house. 66 chit, G6 chit, young fly chit, and you zing chit. Different kind of suits, temperature bags. If you really wanna get all of that.
if you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la.
Hey, web, hey, web.
La, so boom,
Yeah, web.
if you want to. So boom, la.
nangu somdesh ingane zifuna ukumxolisa amathekeni afuna ukumqablisa abathakathi sebefuna ukumnini. He got the formula to make it out here. Buki benza kubuki irebe. Had two choices, a crime noma isigele. Morning side noma ufuna ugejele. Pull up on the dog, pull up on the bordel. Flex on the ones abeka the back leg. Flex on the ones abeka the best jail. Bekuziba wena moba bingelele. Mshaye ngemali, mshaye ngama-drug mode. Shisi inyama umnika amathambo. Sodlala abaceli, sodlala izinyoni. Usuyikhalget, usungeke bakusona.
If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la. If you want to, so boom,
I'm
la.
gonna shine in the dark like a stars ebusuku. Single day njengenyoni zezulu ngoba la ngiphuma khona wonke umuntu uyashona. Impumelelo masifika abanye lutho ukuyibona. No back and forth emlazimini no phethe isosho phethe isosa. Do it for my jite hoji. Hey, lezi efika ebusuku intotshi iphoji. Sinta yodwa namajita njengovusi nokucimba isigubhu nesichithu. Usize njengevarne hit. Faka urepeat moboys akufaka upitsi. Hey, I told Robin singephuma lemlazi. Next time mase ngibuya ngizobe ngihamba ngedrata ngithi gas lami, gas lami, gas lami. Bheka ifast lami, isikhathi sami, gas lami. When we meet up, kiss moose neskim sami. Yeah, I stand in the picture.
If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. If you really, really want it, you can do it. If you want to, if you want to. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la, la, la. So boom, la. If you want to, so boom, la.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live Ngakini on radiodr.co.za. Reporting Live Ngakini, it's your boy J, holding it down at Curiosity Hostels. Reporting Live Ngakini, holding it down with my special guest, my player, my partner, my loved one, my brother, my nigga. Holla at him, dog. Robin, third floor, fresh off that JHP dip. Uthando. Shout out to Indoms all over. Shout out to all Coco. Shout out to all Auntie Nama Exi. You holding it down. My nigga, holla at him, dog.
Hola, kambanja.
Let's go grand. Okay, I'm holding it down in Curiosity Hostels, bro. Shout out to the sponsor. Shout out to all God. Shout out to all love.
Sure.
My nigga, Reporting Live Ngakini, podcast all over, brought to you by Deeply Rooted. Shout out to Usilo. I'm chilling with your boy Robin Third Floor, my nigga. Let's talk about, who was Robin Third Floor and what the fuck is going on, dog. There's this energy, man, about Robin Third Floor. What's going on, dog? My chat, let's see who you from, who with your face is 10, dog.
Hey, it's Robin Third Floor is a musician. It's a hip hop musician from like Tewini. I'm just to push out of it. I'm just to push out of it. Yeah.
Let him know dog, what's going on, dog. What kind of, how would you describe your music, dog? Because it's hip hop, but like, damn. Like, how would you describe it as yourself as a nigga?
Much. So my music, which is like a mixture of indie about the bass is obviously like hip hop, but then in my flavor, my name is so from more quiet or electronic music, funknyana, just like a range of genres. Because ngakhula vethu ekhaya kudlala umculo enhlobo like I used to play everything at home, bro. Like everything from kwaito, gospel, house. So I always try fuse that, and bring about into Mnandi. If it's old, but
Shout out to you, old lady.
Shoki. Yeah.
So tell us about Izzy Tandi, the project, dog. Like, what inspired that shit, dog? Because lento ichaza manje, bro. Iqondile, dog. Because that project, bro. Oh shit.
Yeah.
Fine, I worked on it, but I'm like, oh shit. Yeah. A whole lot of flavors, that dog. Like, can you imagine a project that has Ayashisa Mategu, Nomchocho in the same fucking playlist?
Wait.
Like, what inspired that shit, dog? Because Igbo, bruh, is a whole lot of funk, a whole lot of stank, a whole lot of flavor in that thing, dog. Like, as a nigga who made it, this teen, dog, like, what inspired that shit?
So basically, the whole concept of ukuzithanda is something that I was personally going through, and I felt like, I needed to put it on wax. Like my music is is a reflection of where I'm at, like mind space. So that was the thing. I felt like personally, I was saying as umchid, and as a human, but I felt like didn't really reflect that. So it was just me going through all of that and just being like, lapha, ngithi ngiyazincanya but kodwa lapha akureflect lokho and then putting it into indlela bethu ezobumculo, and also just like spreading positivity. There's so much going on in the world right now. There's so much going on in South Africa right now, and kuyadingeka leyo nto bethu hope yabo ezokwazi abantu bethi benze bafeel good, because we all know now ukuthi into dominator is bad news.
True that.
So you need an artist or basically
it's going to
anyone
penetrate throughout all that shit, dog.
Yeah, like umuntu bethi ezokwazi ukuthi abile lo themba labantu ukuthi okay sharp, ngiyazi ukuthi lokhu is going on, but ngiyazi mangalalela lo amjida that project, I might feel good about myself.
Yes.
Yeah, well, because that for me is like everything, bro. Like you can't but you can't really manifest stuff from a bad place.
True that.
So I ngayenza kanjalo mfethu ukuthi nje kube projects abantu abazoyilalela and really like feel good about themselves.
Yeah, dog.
Yeah.
Are you proud of that shit?
Mfethu. In tons. Izithanda ivula iminyango eminingi yabo. Just based on like my expectations engade nginawo ngayo, even noma bengekho maningi ngalo ndlela, but nami ngithukile ukuthi flip, there's so many like extensions to this, we on tour now, Sharma video, and also just like the most important thing also was that kunabantu besabathintekile ngayo. You know, like people coming through to me and sharing their stories, you know, and sharing how a certain song made them feel like, hey, I'm not alone, you know what I'm saying? Like, kukhona abanye abantu who are also going through these things and kuyakwazi ukuthi udlule kuzona, you know what I'm saying? So that also was really good for me ukuthi ngizwe leyo nto leyo. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, dog. It's definitely lyrically, it's something that's some encouraging shit, dog. In the midst of all of this shit that's going on right now, Kondile, dog. It's dope, fam. It's a dope message, dog.
Showcase, bro.
Let's talk about now, like, who you featured on the project, production-wise. Because, like I said, dog, that fucking sound, this dog, what the fuck?
Hey,
I'm like, what the fuck? I'm mixing this shit, but I'm like, what the fuck is this shit? So, tell us the producers that you worked with. And I remember you told me there's some international producers on this as well, like beatmaker-wise. So, like, talk us through all of that funk. All of that flavor, dog.
Showcase. So, production-wise, on it's a Pumvetu Kona Wayne, JP.
Showcase. Ingadlangadla.
Yeah, Kona Sebastian, who's a South African / Canadian producer. Kona Sub Zulu. Kona Cameron, Tree Haven. Kona JMC Beats. Kona Mark Akar.
Okay, which out of these producers, who produced what? Like, which track did you know? Which song did they
produce?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Like,
cool.
which beat did they provide?
So okay. Jaden Daniel, first song, Self Care. Jaden Daniel.
Showcase.
Second song, which is Gibela, was produced by Sebastian, the South African Canadian guy.
Dope.
Third song,
Gibela.
Sure. Third song, Ishisa, produced by Cameron, Tree Haven. Fourth song, Gumnandila, I think, not too sure. Gumnandila, Long Way, and Too Much was produced by Usab Zulu.
It's too much, man.
Sure.
It's too much.
Yeah, and then Abatarati was Mark Akar.
Abatarati
was also Sebastian.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
I love that train.
Umjojo was JMC Beats. Then Umche Lapa go 3 p.m. ngasekhaya. Pumelela, please remind me if I'm forgetting something. Love Yourself. Yeah, man. Those were the producers, and then feature-wise, Wakuna Smash Africa, Rhea Black, Mac 11, Kamel, CZ, Double XL. Shout out to CZ Double XL. I'm starting to keep him mixtape now, by the way, and it's doing really, really, really amazing.
I saw your push, dog, in a real way.
Yeah. You guys should really, really check out for him. Kamel, Chablad, Yeah. Those are the features, bro.
My favorite track on that shit, though, is Too Much, man. Too much. It's too much, man. It's too much, face. Okay. Zasha dog, Banje face. It's too much. So Nabatsarat. Dog, I gang. Shout out to those motherfuckers. Gang. Same. Okay, let's talk about all this hype going on right now. So I saw shout out to OK Africa did like a review on the Gibela video. Shout out to OK Africa, bruh. It was like, that's a dope blog. I think mostly for international people looking at us, OK Africa is like the number one blog to be on in Africa, bruh. You know, and a nigga on that shit, Zasha dog. So let's talk about like the Gibela video, bro. Cause I saw the vision, I'm like, what the fuck? Like, what the fuck? I've never seen that shit. It's like a combination of the Mpahla ya Kanye West, so amazing. When those neon bitches be on that shit, I'm like, what the fuck? The neon shit? And you know, got the man like in South Africa. I'm like, who came up with that concept, dog?
So Matthew, this is a guy named Matthew, Matthew Kutbret. we're all director, right? So this is the first video that I didn't direct. Out of one my videos I've directed, but yeah, it's been
Tour life.
it's been lit, man. So it's the first video that I've never directed, that I just gave the responsibility to Omunye. Normally, like when we shoot videos, we send come on an idea and you know. But I did give him a brief. I was just like, something very trippy, you know.
Some psychedelic shit.
Because I felt like it fit the narrative of the song.
Yeah.
And whoever that did everything, came up with the concept. Shout out to Jägermeister for, you know, funding the boy for the video. And yeah, man. So and yeah, people are really, really receiving the video very well. You know, I've got like some really cool reviews on it.
Yeah, dog, for real, man. It's a dope video, bro. It deserves those fucking reviews, dog. Hey, Kimel, what the fuck? That's endorsed. I'm like, what the? Is it me? I'm like, no, niggas did shit. It's every dog. Yeah, Fong said the video behind the scenes. But come say that's bad. That's bad, dog, in a real way. Yeah. That's dope. Let's talk about. Shout out to Matthew though, because I met the nigga. I'm for Gaspano, dog. Gaspano, dog. What a dope team.
Sure.
You know, Gaspano, bro. Wow. Yeah, let's talk about the tour now, dog. About who's involved. Who's involved in the tour.
Sure. So it's all very to shout out to Jägermeister and Jalo, just for, you know, making the boys' indie dreams come true. You know. They're supporting, you know, in the evening, like the video, the tour now, you know. So Yibo, Afro's Chicken, shout out. They helping out with my meals, and then we have Curiosity also helping out with the accommodation. So basically, it's set in terms of the tour, and that's actually just what I wanted to, for us to just worry about the music part. You know, because this isn't so it was really cool to get people who understood what we were trying to do, and bawazi ukuthi mfethu basize ngalendlela abasiza ngayo mfethu. And ngiyababonga kakhulu fana, like I really, really appreciate having people abangawazi ukukholelwa kumina kanjalo. Yeah.
Shout out to Jaeger, shout out to Afro, shout out to Curiosity, holding it down the long way, the right way.
Right.
So tell us about that energy. How was JHB, dog? Like shit. Like, dog, judging by the visuals that you post and talk, I'm like, I believe you that singer, dog. Nigga walking on stage with fucking helmet and shit, looking like the Stig. I'm like, the Stig's African cousin and shit. What the fuck, dog? Like, what's going on? Shout out to, I saw the pics. It's random clothing who did that.
Sure.
Outfit, psychedelic biker shit. What the fuck? So, dog, like, how's JHB like, dog?
JHB, it's just like home away from home, yo. Like when I'm there, bro, there's always like love. And I was pretty nervous about this one because it was my show. Normally, amongst the Josie, it's like someone else's show. Not necessarily someone else's show, spanning on the lineup, you know. And this was a risk on our side, my show. So how many people are we actually working with in Josie, you know, and the impact is for and to my surprise, bro, like it was a lot, you know, like there's a lot of people who came through and they were singing lyrics and shit. I'm just like, whoa. Right ngalendlela bese ukuthi usehlula wena because kusesikhathi wena bukhohle and then you improvise and then yena ucula le the real lyrics. I'm like, shit, there you are exposing me, you know. But yeah, bro, like it was really, really wild mosh pit vibes there. So like we shut the place down, like literally we shut the place down. Sesibalele isikhathi ukuthi
senhlupha kakhulu phela manje.
Really accommodation abantu bafuna ukulala yho. Khona abantu abasanda kufika mhlambe manje so befuna ukulala nananze sa okay sharp no. But I really, really enjoyed it. Like it was really, really proper.
Like iphele ngasikhatsini dog.
They shut us down at like 11.
Oh.
At like 11. 11. Because it was like, bro, like like really crazy. I mean, like really crazy. But like, curiosity is like an accommodation. Before a venue, it's an accommodation. Yeah, bo. So abantu vethu bayafika, uthola ukuthi babuya orkanti and bakhathele basafuna ukuzoyilalela yabo, and manje thina silapha bezosayishubisa man. Like vuka imoya baba bathi imoya. Yabo lento. So yeah, manje we enjoyed ourselves, bro. Like we really enjoyed ourselves. Even the people namanje like still hitting me up on some, bro, that was like a really magical night, and Sibonile to you guys actually put in effort, you know, because that's also like another component of artistry that like you know, when you control the narrative of your show, it's very important to do something that they won't forget, you know what I'm saying? Like even like it's like the outfits and whatever, you know. Shout out to Random Clothing, shout out to Wanda for the helmet, shout out to Cola Classics. They made shoes just for me, for that, you know. Colorway me for the tour, you know. So yeah, but to just okay, fine, this guy's actually really serious and we should take him seriously, you know. And I went buying like a lot of people just feel like, you know, I just can rock up at a show with my pants, you know, and whatever. But no, bro, if you do nabantu bakuthatha serious ukuthi hey, this guy actually really usicabangile ukuze njengasizile nje la kufanele sibe wild, you know, like. So yeah, and they keep sending the texts and tweets and shit, just saying they really enjoy themselves.
So what's the relationship like between Ikol and Random Clothing? Because I see you wear this shit a lot.
Yeah. Basically. Because they work separately. But I always somehow, you know, because Umbulelo, who owns Random, is so every now and again, because every now and again I'll be like, hey bro, can you make something for me for a show or whatever, you know, and he'll make something like specifically for that, you know. And with Gola, they the sneaker sponsor of LA, so yeah.
So where is Random Clothing from and where's Gola from?
Random Clothing is from Jersey. Gola is from the UK. Yeah.
So how do you get them shoes at, dog? Manje by email and by sending Wi-Fi. He cancel and take up the Bluetooth, the airdrop, take up his
airdrop. They post shit with Yafi and if you are good doorstep, it's a calpot, it's to a maid. So we made to a 9 and
I remember one time you were in Joburg. Was it the Jägermeister thing where you were wearing that orange Random? Oh, the Pasha Jägermeister. Manje ngabona no Shane Igile ekopelile tokam how wenzani manje Shane Igile man so akafuni ngani ufuna umstyle tokam I was is teeny face dog. But that outfit was dope, dog. That red or that orange shit, dog. What the fuck?
Yeah it's like evolve to like fans respect artistry. Like if you put in the efforts into it, because I just think like it's just like the music aspects only. Yeah, when it's not, bro. Like trust me, it's not. You know, you can be blind, but if the presentation of it all, you know, isn't really a standard that can really wow people, then people won't really take you seriously. But if you come as a full package and you like Minani, people will gravitate towards that shit. Like real shit.
Quote him on that. People will only take you as seriously as you take yourself.
Yeah, that's that. So I mean, they change like 5 times in a concert. Like 5 outfit changes, and I'm actually done most of the time. It's like man, they feel like he go the skip a lazy then
you track good.
Yeah, you know. It's like a million times, and your stage, you know, it's like bro, awubahlonipha abantu yabo. And labantu laba ibona futhi ofuna expect ukuthi bafake imali into your pocket. But how? You know, when you're not really giving them reason to, you know. Yeah.
No, Zasha, okay. So tell us what people can look to, like, expect this week, dog, this Saturday.
Yeah. So this Saturday we're having a Durban leg of the Utsando tour. I'm pretty excited about that, you know. Home ground, home ground. So we're hoping to sell out soon. And yeah, man, I'm really excited to be playing at home. I
spoke to your mom earlier. Calling up your phone with Volbambi Olet. Olet! Oh, poor open the side. Okay, shout out to you, Olet. Showcase.
So, I'm really excited about that. Like, it's home ground, you know. Because I really wasn't sure about Joburg. And then Joburg just set the standard like on a fucking high. Bro. I was like, okay. So in order for Durban to top that, it really needs to go up, you know, like even more. So yeah, bro, I'm really hoping, yeah, for you. But on our side, you know, we bringing the show, bro. Like we bringing it heavy. Just really hope that the people also bring the same energy.
So it's on, okay. We gonna be lit. Great. So please let the people know, like, where can they find your music? Where can they find you on social media networks and stuff? I saw you just got that blue tick, nigga. What the fuck? I don't even know. I'm like, hey, boom. When's that land, man? You took him damn. That was a shitty number, man. There's some sort of email, man. You took him, Dude, the number you have dialed, it does not exist. It's a verified lomo. So she email, voicemail, which I say verified lomo type code. So where can the people find you, Machi?
Socials, bro. Twitter at Robin Third Floor, Instagram at Robin Raps Good, Facebook Robin Third Floor. Music is across all streaming platforms. Robin Third Floor, ROBIN THIRDFLOOR. Yeah.
Reporting live, Ngakini Supoim J holding it down, city to city, titty to titty. Shout out to Deeply Rooted Radio. Shout out to the CEO, Silo, my nigga, holding it down. Shout out to, I just saw the Deeply Access shit. Damn, big pillar. Shout out to Durban. Shout out to South Africa. Young man, you say it dated and I said Dubai next weekend. The following dates is we say Paris. Utsando Paris next week. Sazofio. Koni Eiffel Tower. Ngani curious as hostels say Paris. Awukulu vena. Awubabuza sebafesa. Say Paris phela. But yeah, shout out to your poor Robin Third Floor holding it down Ngakini. Mucha.
You are now tuned in to Reporting Live again on radiodr.co.za.